Natural keratin hair straightening in just 3 days with only 2 ingredients that makes your hair smooth and very attractive. Smooth and soft hair is considered desirable and the dream of every girl, and a girl cannot do without it in most of their hairstyles. This is due to the simple and elegant appearance that gives the girl smooth and straight hair.
That is why we find many girls who style their hair daily, and some of them resort to making it straight permanently using natural methods.
But the problem is that these two methods damage the hair very greatly. That is why we wanted to present natural and safer ways to straighten the hair. How to make keratin at home with natural recipes. In this mask, lemon juice works to strengthen hair, as well as provide your scalp with vitamin C. While the mixture of lemon juice and coconut milk makes it beautifully smooth. You will notice a wonderful result after you try this mask the first time. In the following, we will explain this method. The components of natural keratin are 1 cup of coconut milk to a tablespoon of lemon juice. How to prepare natural keratin. One, mix the coconut milk with lemon well. 2, put the mixture in the refrigerator and leave it overnight. 3, in the morning, apply the mixture to your hair, starting from the roots and ending with the ends. 4, leave it on your hair for up to 30 minutes, then wash it with cold water and shampoo. Use a sulfur-free shampoo. 5, repeat this method only once a week. Learn about the best essential oils that soften hair. Definition of essential oils as vegetable oils extracted for their medicinal and aromatic properties. Usually, oils with a lower concentration are diluted, and examples of oils that soften hair are examples. The best 6 types of oils that help soften hair are as follows. 1, rose oil. 2, geranium flower oil. 3, lavender oil. 4, rosemary oil. 5, sandalwood oil. 6, burdock oil. And last but not least, we have reached the end of the video. If you like this type of video, leave a comment to continue. We hope that today's video will help you. Bye.